Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of testosterone, understanding it, boosting it naturally, and maintaining healthy levels for life. First, let's understand what testosterone is and why it's so important. Testosterone is a hormone primarily produced in the testicles in men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries and adrenal glands in women. It plays a vital role in muscle mass, bone density, red blood cell production, and of course, libido. Low testosterone can lead to fatigue, decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and even mood changes. So, maintaining healthy levels is crucial. Our first key strategy is nutrition. What you eat directly impacts your hormone levels. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Prioritize healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These are the building blocks for testosterone production. Also, ensure you're getting enough protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, which in turn supports healthy testosterone levels. Finally, don't neglect your micronutrients. Zinc and vitamin D are particularly important. Zinc is involved in numerous enzymatic processes, including testosterone synthesis. Vitamin D, which technically is a hormone, plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. Next up is exercise. Resistance training, like weightlifting, is incredibly effective at boosting testosterone. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. High intensity interval training, or HIIT, can also provide a significant boost. Short bursts of intense activity followed by brief recovery periods can optimize hormone production. However, be careful not to overdo it. Overtraining can actually lower testosterone levels. Balance is key. Stress is a major testosterone killer. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone production. Therefore, stress management is paramount. Incorporate stress reducing activities into your daily routine. Meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, and pursuing hobbies can all make a huge difference. Also, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation significantly impacts hormone levels. Certain lifestyle choices can negatively affect testosterone levels. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking are two major culprits. Limit alcohol intake and consider quitting smoking altogether. Also, avoid exposure to endocrine disruptors. These are chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products that can interfere with hormone function. Choose organic foods and opt for natural, chemical-free products whenever possible. Consider supplements. While a healthy diet should